Which kit are we working on today, Anna?
We are going to do the elegant everyday brunch kit, and I'm going to use the Kodiak cakes to make a flapjack. And we're going to do a savory flapjack and a sweet flapjack using the run-amok maple syrups. I'm going to measure out a cup. We chose Kodiak cakes because they're full of protein, and I also love them because you just need water to make these. All right, so then we just mix it up.
Okay, while Anna's finishing mixing the pancakes, I can talk about the other products that go into this kit. She did mention the run-amok maple syrup folks, who are one of the most brilliant people that we've come across. They barrel age their maple syrup with all these wonderful flavors. We also have our very own, the Serious Foodie romesco sauce. It's a classic Spanish sauce, so our brunch version today will have eggs with romesco sauce on a flapjack, and off to the side will be a flapjack with the run-amok maple syrup. From this 1 cup of mix and 1 cup of water, we will get 8, maybe 9 pancakes, and a fairly nice sized pancakes too. Okay, so now we've got 2 beautiful pancakes plated. Anna, say a little bit more about this romesco sauce.
This romesco sauce is really special because it's a Spanish style pesto, so it's a little different than a traditional pesto. It's fire roasted tomatoes, roasted red peppers, and then there's this texture that you get, instead of pine nuts, it's almonds, smoked almonds.
There it is. You ready to eat?
I'm ready to eat.
Okay, hope you're hungry. That's it.